Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2011 Cadillac SRX. We're going to start our walk around on the driver's side. I'm going to stop and take a look at those tires. Still have real good tread left. Nice set of Michelins. Nice chrome accents there. Real pretty deep blue color. Coming around to the back. Always looking for any scraping, scuffing at the bumpers. And then coming down the passenger side, again, just give you a nice overall look at this. It's a couple little spots there. Taking a look at the interior, you do get full power for the driver's seat. A couple memory functions there. Nice tan leather seating. Give you a shot of the dash there. Navigation, dual climate control. You do get heated and cooled seats. And then all the flooring surface is going to be tan. Current mileage is 107.84. Looking in the back seat now, just do a nice slow pan over the seats. No rips or tears back here. All the flooring looks good, and then you do get an additional power port with some air vents back here. Looking in the cargo area, good amount of cargo space, a little additional storage under here under the floor. Then the back seats can lay down, so you get nice pass-through storage to the front seats. Taking one more look at the back seat now from the passenger side. I'm going to flip that seat down, show you that pass-through storage. You do get an armrest in the back of this model as well. And we went ahead and opened up the sunshade. You do get nice panoramic views from the back seat. Finishing up in the front passenger seat, you do get power for the passenger as well as driver. Take one more look over the seating surface. We'll take one more spin around the back. Finish up with the views of that sunroof, and that'll wrap up your 2011 Cadillac SRX.